Hello everyone and welcome to our new subject, Unlocking Data Insights with Power BI Aggregate Functions. In today's data-driven world, harnessing the power of aggregate functions is essential for extracting meaningful insights. Let's delve into how sum, average, and count functions in Power BI empower users to analyze and visualize data effectively. Consider this scenario. John, a sales representative, has been tracking his sales performance. Let's examine how Power BI's aggregate functions shed light on his sales data. With the sum function, we calculate the total value of John's sales. This aggregates all his sales transactions into one comprehensive figure, providing a clear view of his overall performance. Utilizing the average function, we determine the average sales achieved by John. By calculating the mean value of his sales transactions, we gain insights into his typical performance level over a given period. Meanwhile, the count function reveals the total number of sales made by John. This function doesn't just sum up the sales values, but instead focuses on counting the individual transactions, providing a crucial metric for understanding John's sales activity volume. In Power BI, this is the interface where you can navigate to choose your aggregate functions. Then we can see some visual representations. First, the line chart of the sum function, then the average function, and the count function. We can also see the column chart of these same functions, sum function, average function, and then count function. This is the count distinct function. This column, here you can see that the values on the y-axis vary between 39 and 40, where on the previous one they vary between 10,000 and 25,000. Why is that? So the count function in Power BI counts the total number of rows in a specified column or expression, regardless of whether the values are unique or repeated. It includes all occurrences of values within the dataset, even if there are duplicates. On the other hand, the count distinct function in Power BI counts only the unique distinct values within a specified column or expression. It disregards duplicate occurrences of values and focuses solely on counting each unique value once. So aggregate functions like sum, average, and count are the cornerstone of data analysis and visualization in Power BI. By leveraging these functions effectively, users can unlock actionable insights, make data-driven decisions, and drive business success.